And we're back. I'm going to speak to this guy now.
Summer runs
Butters is
through
here
my
too.
being as blood runs through yours. Yet I've seen that dew men call sweat flow like rivers in our deserts. This heat devours spirit and life alike. Howbeit, enduring the elements is part of the Realm Walker's folly. Pleasure sought through vanquishing hostility. Whether this pleases or not, without shelter and the means to defend it, you'll not last long. Best to test your nesting prowess and avoid exhaustion, while I scour for the next byway.
I'm guessing you're skipping a lot of the dialogue stuff.
No, my
Because
dialogue
you're getting
started
through it
after
a
you
lot
just stopped.
getting through a lot
No, I've
faster
only
than
just
me.
spoke. I was only just spoken to him, Puck.
I was still listening when you started telling me what to do. Right, so
Right, I don't know.
what are we meant to be doing? Where's the build stick tent?
Yeah.
I've got to remember.
Luckily we grabbed. The stuff. So B to bring up the. I'm going to call it blueprints.
Build tent place.
Yeah. Right, now he wants you to build a bedroll.
I need more sticks and more stuff.
Super. Well, I noticed if you do, if you're in the shadows, at least that actually, if you're in a hot area, it seems to cool you off.
Where does it tell you how hot you are?
It came up on the screen. Should be like a sun symbol and a red bar slowly growing. So I'll let you know once I get. I'm gonna go step about in the sun right now. Yeah, it's sort of above the your toolbar.
Plant fibre.
That's cool.
What does plant fibre look like in this round?
Okay, where the hell's that? Oh, I've got to bring it back in again.
Should have picked up more plant fibre in the other realm.
Can you see? I don't know if you can do it Waskle-wise, but the small little Waskle trees, they seem to collect. Oh, what the hell was that? Sounded like a really messed up version of the Predator out there somewhere.
I'm not finding any plant fibre yet.
Look at
Oh, I found
Can you
some.
not see any
Sorry,
of
I
the?
found some.
Yeah, the
Little
little brown,
bushes.
other little brown twigs. Yeah, but you know where the big trees are. They got like little ones around them.
Yeah, that wasn't
think
giving me
that
plant fibre, that
helps
was
choose.
giving me sticks.
Oh, was it? Let me have a look. Ah, what? No wonder I was getting fibre from that. Yeah, so but the little ones are much tinier little things. What is going on?
Hey. I now got to build a bedroll. Come on. An officer. Not a builder.
Builder.
Oh, more plant fibre.
Oh, what's that? Yeah, I'm gonna wish I collected more. I think because it looks like a. Oh god. What is that? I'm picking up seeds. Oh, what the hell is that over there?
You see the big sticky tree looking things?
Oh, that's what. Yeah, that's what I was just commenting on. He was like, "What is that? Like a moving tree with like, yeah, not scary." Right, let's take this stuff back over there. Oh, well, I think I remember picking up something. And you are weighed down by your infantry. I would have never guessed because my character's going really slowly.
Can't find any more
Quickly before the
fibre.
sunlight burns.
There seems to be a different amount per bush when you pick it up.
Oh, is that? Yeah, I wondered if it was. Right. So he wants us to make all that stuff. Really? Right.
Still need
survival.
4 more fibre.
Well, hopefully, maybe I should do that one first, or not. Oh no, that one. There we go. Oh, yeah.
This is mental. I can't find any fucking fibre. Oh, come on. There's got to be more fibre around. I shouldn't have built the tent right where I started. I should have kept the stuff until I was ready.
Trying to avoid this more.
Biome's a good day. Good looking
Hey?
game. I was a bit
Yeah, I
worried
like
on the
I like
character creation. It was a bit basic, like as in the way they looked.
Yeah,
I was, oh, it's a bit
but
worrying.
when you realise,
Actually,
yeah,
no, it's
but
alright.
yeah, but when you see it, when you see it in the game, it seems to fit, doesn't it? It's
Right. Rest.
yeah. If you notice when you rest, the blue bar in the middle goes up.
You don't actually sleep, you just stand there next to the bed. Make a wooden axe.
Yeah, but yeah.
What do I need for a wooden axe? Where's that? Where does that come under?
Right, so
Oh,
when you
there.
press
Found
B,
it. I found it. I need more
oh, you
plant
found it,
fibre. I need more plant fibre.
yeah.
We can't find any plant bloody
we get it.
fibre.
Right,
Took
I'm
me a
about to
day
make
and an
the,
age to
raw edible plants.
bloody find the stuff I found.
But may I suggest when you go to build your first tool, then make it probably do. Actually, I don't know if that will still give me. Did it give me anything? No, apart from it's just logs. I was hoping I was going to get fibre out of that.
I'll take the tree things are friendly because I'm right near one. Need some fibre. Anyone see any fibre, Andy? You got any fibre?
That's why I'm going to have a look and see if I can find any more as well. That lot.
Wonder if I can drink this water.
Mixed fibre, I'm making it.
Oh, I'm wet now. Telling me off for being wet.
Oh, is there water nearby?
I ran into water thinking I might be able to drink it. I was
Right.
wrong. Make a wooden axe. Craft. Hey, hey, you've got an axe.
Nice.
I'll make them all.
Might actually-
Oh,
Yeah, I've just. Is that actually worth it?
oh, I need more
Or I
plant
just-
fibre. Why do I feel plant fibre is going to be the bane of my time in this game?
Well, to be fair, I'm guessing the desert's got.
Oh, go find the water. Find the water. There's loads of plant fibre. It's in the reeds.
Ah, right, okay, fair enough.
It's in
I'm
the
guessing
reeds,
it's 'cause
boss.
it's
It's in the
desert.
reeds.
It's in the reeds. Oh, I don't really want to go past that stick thing.
Well, it
What I'm
didn't,
going-
to be fair, it didn't attack me when I went near it.
It could be just part of the wildlife over here. Oh, there's two. I've just spotted them.
Basic resources can be found and harvested in the realm. The resources can be used to craft items or refined into better resources. Using tools, you can
Whoa, what the hell?
harvest better resources with special qualities from the realm. Craft higher level tools to harvest from higher level resource nodes. Right.
How do I get rid of some of that?
Where's he then? It's just returned to. Oh, I assume he's back where we started.
If you walk around here, he will just appear. So if you carry on going, you'll hear that.
Oh, there he is.
Him appearing type of sound. How can I change that? I want to do 60. How do I do that?
It slipped my skull that Earth's great citadels resulted from decades of toil. Still, I expected more than that lowly truss of sticks and the haphazard cudgel you now hold. You'll need better woodworking skills than that when we reach our destination proper. It affords the perfect setting for, well, we shan't ruin the surprise. Let us depart, and speak of your ill-favored constructs no more. One final by way of muck and mire, then this path of beginnings shall fork unbounded into whatever endings you seek.
Where we gotta go then?
It's good. Whatever end you see.
Locate the realm's portal
next-
and venture into the swamp biome.
But yeah. Oh,
Is it near the
loads of
building?
these- That's where I'm heading. Do you see those weird like gold like?
Yeah, there's loads of them, isn't there? They're
Hovering
like
things,
harvesters.
Yeah, I've just wondered if that's what you. Because they seem to have got like a drill thing on it, don't they?
Oh,
If you press.
I'll
if you
just
press
pick something
press-
up. The veil between
right.
us. It's like a page from a book or something.
Okay. Yeah, if you
Boats
press
depart
M,
daily now.
M for
Bells,
map.
bells filling the harbour. Evacuations are underway. While some seeking refuge in other cities. Distant Nightingale draws others. Oh, yeah. I'm not going to read it out because I
It's
can't
got
read
little
very
things
well.
in there. If you
Oh,
yeah,
I found a
if you press,
chest.
press M for bring up the map.
Oh,
Got a chest.
yes, okay. Pick up the map. Yes, brilliant.
Yeah, if you press the map, the map will show you the portal. At least you can see
Oh, I
which way
found a
you're
chest.
looking as well.
Look
on
around the building.
Right, I'm on the way. It'd be interesting to see if we both get the same thing. I'm going to have to literally turn that into dust because I'm carrying loads of stone and that is weighing me down. Right, look around that big building, yeah?
Yeah, look around. I found a chest.
Okay, I think I found the page you were on about. Boats depart daily now. Bells filling the harbour. Evacuations are underway. There's some seeking refuge in other cities. Distant Nightingale draws others. With rumours of mechanisms that repel the pale. The journey is long and arduous. All of the while, seekers usually on the shore, watching the sail into the unknown.
Oh mate, they harvest the
Right, so
logs. If you stand near them and then cutting down the trees, you can pick up the logs before they do.
Oh, okay. Oh, I didn't know that. Right, just found I see what you mean. Bay chest. I've got just found a charm. Look, a charm of lumberjack. This charm restores the wearer's stamina each time they fell a tree.
I'm carrying too much.
Slight healing. I've just turned the I have loads of stone, so I've just turned it into essence. I chose the extract. Just climb up these steps to see if there's anything around here.
That's what I'm doing. That's where the gate is. It's got to be.
I can see the gate from here.
Anywhere?
No, the gate's on the. Yeah, look into where the big trees are.
Yeah.
There's you can see that Stargate looking thing in the. There's like a little pool of water there as well. It's on the map. When you bring up the map, there is a. If you zoom into it, there's a circle with like what you would look like a cave on most game maps. Oh, now getting wet. Right, what's that? Swamp card. And the Bible.
I don't know as I like the climbing bit so much. I see it.
Did I not activate that properly? Open portal.
Oh, there's something up there to collect on the portal deck. Another page.
Oh, right. I just missed that.
I'm not going to read this out. If you want to read it, pause the video and read it.
Where did you say it was?
Right in front of the portal on the deck. A little flashy thing.
Ah, that's why. Yeah, that's why I couldn't see it. I was stood next to the thing. Finally, our time has come. The Pale surrounds the city, an oppressive wall swallowing the buildings, advancing ever closer. The evacuations have ceased. There is no longer a shore for which to escape. No one knows what happens when the Pale overtakes you. As you stand here, the air is filled with screams as the Pale slips along the streets, and then silence. I want to go to them, to help them, but there is nothing I can do, nothing anyone can do. It is becoming too dangerous to remain. A few of us have been dared to pass through the portal, despite what may lie beyond. They take their chances, but I wait here, unwilling to leave until the last second. If she returns here, she will know where to find me. Sita saying, wherever you are, please be safe.
Is
Right.
Tom joining us?
Jack's portal. No, no, he's not replied. I don't know if you've seen my message because I know last time I saw you still playing thing. Right, if you didn't join us, it's because I did say we were playing the game, so if he wants to keep his sanity, it's all fine if he wants to jump in.
If not for Astaroth's decree, this trek would have been as easy as peach pie.
So,
We Fae are forbidden from consorting with your kind. And while my amity is yours, it behooves us both to move with caution. But enough prattle.
alright,
The bound guard Fae archways that align with temporal realms. As they're already acquainted with your despair, those fiends will emerge when you try to leave this final byway. While I know man's impulse is to flee, without pluck, you're sure to expire. Prepare yourself, Realm Walker. Once this fen is within our wake, a fine morsel of knowledge I shall bequeath. Ahead lie relics of humanity's future.
So this is the final byway we'll be doing, I guess. from the sound of that.
So I'll just let him finish in his little... He does like the sound of his own voice. Hello, Tom.
Hello, you right?
Oh wow!
Yeah.
Oh, wow, you let the impulse flee without pulp.
What are we meant to be doing? Oh,
Find more
so
swords.
we're not allowed to just run away. Acquire bones.
Just go for his
Tier
speech.
1
Right,
predator.
oh, quiet bones. Yeah.
Acquire hide of a tier 1
Um,
predator. I want a bow. Can I make a bow yet?
Let's have a look. Can we create? Let's have a look.
No.
Makeshift items. Not yet. I'm guessing this, there might be. I guess the only weapon we've got right now. No, is that a weapon? Is that even a weapon?
We've got a knife. That's what we've got
yeah,
right
well,
now.
yeah, that's all. Yeah. I guess unless you can use any of the other weapons. Maybe you can. I'm going to try an axe. See if the axe works. I've just seen whatever crazy animal.
Which
out
one's
there
the
being
axe? Is that the
attacked
first
by
one?
something. Yeah. Yeah. There's an animal out here having a
It's
fight
loads,
with each other. I
mate.
think.
I've got animals all around me, and they're all like 5 times my size.
I've just killed that.
Why am I?
just
Why
killed
am
one
I
of them.
injured? What? Why have I got red flashing?
That is what.
What? I'm
I don't know
confused.
what
Oh,
that is.
I'm
There
hungry.
we go. Right, I've just taken 2 of these things out, but now I've got to use the knife. Ah, okay. Right, that's just sliced and diced and made some whatever.
There's a thing
okay, so,
walking up
well,
to me.
get the meat. Get the meat.
Oh, I killed it, but he fucking hurt me. Oh my god, it's like a walking rat.
I thought it was to me. I thought it was some crazed goddamn kangaroo.
How did you get the meat from
Over
him?
here. I might. To use the knife, which if he did it
Right.
in order like I. It's a knife. You start stabbing the what's called wing, it starts dropping off meat and hide and stuff. Now let's see. I'm going to create another fire because I need to. I want to cook the meat. That's got to be better.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to do that in a minute. Do that.
Well, while I'm doing that, then I can craft whatever it wants me to craft next. Or oh no, quiet bone. I've got 2 out of 2. Add resources, please. Of course you won't, because I binned all those stones, didn't I?
And I did the same as you because you told me to.
Because I thought they were too heavy. Ah, I've just found a. I've just. The pickaxe works properly now. In this realm.
Which one's the
Anyway, just
pickaxe?
collect
Is
the
it?
fleckless
No,
stuff.
that one.
I've got it. Mine is number 2. I'm going to be down by a stone now. Give me another stone. Come on. That looks like it's going to be breakable. Yeah. I'm nowhere near it. There we go. That's better.
Will you hit just any
Right,
rock,
small
or
stone.
does it have to be specific?
No,
rock?
no. It will come. It will come up with a pickaxe symbol. So look for a rock that is more, not like these big giant part of the map looking ones. They kind of look obvious when you see them, when you realise it. Come on. Like that. Let's see if I can cook the meat. Right.
I'm confused.
Yes, please.
None of these.
How was it so far?
Right. Yeah, doing alright. So, but I just got to get past the tutorial before we can join each other.
Okay.
It's just kind of getting you for the basic stuff, and then we're on the last byway now, which sounds like way talking the guy who's like the as your guide, shall we say, and he's leading us through what some of the stuff, and then it will then drop you off into whatever guess which will be your first. I don't know, actually, it depends on the world you pick, and then because it looks like there's on the menu, there's something right there how you do your party, so you're joining others. Not that one. No, not managed.
I can't find a stone that I can crack right now. This is getting frustrating.
So I wish I could crack it up. Because what I did was when I got the pickaxe out of my hand, the rock, the pickaxe symbol will appear.
Oh, right, okay, I found one.
Right, meat's on the go. That's a lot of meat. Come on.
Still not enough stones. What?
I was short by one.
Yeah,
I did find one of those little small piles.
getting frustrating. I don't need sandstone. Why am I picking up sandstone? I assume it needs to be normal stone, not sandstone, to make a fireplace.
I guess I didn't know there was sand. I didn't find any sandstone, so I didn't know. Still need to find one more of those animals to
Trying to
kill,
kill
them, or at least one of
fucking
these.
kangaroo bastards.
Yeah, I've got one more because I had two. They were. I thought what was going on. It looks like they were attacking the smaller creatures. Right, let's see if we can find.
The character creation's quite in depth. You can make like really customise your character. That's quite cool.
Okay, yeah.
And you do your family. You do like a family lineage as well, so it changes how he looks.
Yeah.
No, I don't want you to put the bloody fire out. Why did you put the fire out?
No, that's stick spurs. Oh,
Roast meat.
that's not a bloody rabbit. Where's this little rabbit going? Come here. It says rabbit, I don't know what it is. Oh. Well, killed it anyway. Got a whole tribe with it. Hey, okay. Well, wherever it is, I'll just put some more meat out of that.
Wow.
Fine.
Meat, put your health bar up, and it's really good for your food.
Oh, hello, bunny rabbit. Killer kangaroo, whatever you are. Come on then. Come get some. Come on. Whoa.
Right, acquire bones
Come
here.
on,
I need
boy.
more
Yeah.
bones.
Yeah, that's the only way you're getting is from these things. So far.
All the killer kangaroos
right.
seem to have disappeared when I started killing them.
Yeah, I killed two of them, and then this one I just started. I found like a road, like a track to follow. Right, there we go. Got that. Now we'll do it. Oh, make it. Tape it. What's that? Oh. What do I need?
Alright, don't go in the water.
Don't go in the water.
No, I'm poisoned.
Oh. Oh, there it is. Right, oh, okay, so the capelet is going to replace my jacket, and that makes the score go up from 6 to 10 on the torso. So, can we...
Do you have to put it on yourself, or does
repair?
he just put it on?
Yeah, you got to do it yourself. Tell me what I thought was it gone, but it was in my inventory. So you just drag and drop, and I'm going to then
Where?
turn my old jacket into... it's a weird looking... It should have a number 10 on the top left corner of the box.
Right.
Orange man. And I'm extracting
preferred my
the
jacket.
old stuff into essence.
Prefer my jacket.
Yeah, I prefer it. It was a lot more prettier.
Acquire Heating salve.
What?
Sorry, healing salve.
No, healing.
And
Yeah,
roasted
healing
meat.
salve, and then acquired roasted meat. I've got
I've
one
already done
because
roasted meat.
I ate the other one.
I don't leave my
That's what I make.
fireplace.
Oh, right. I've got to now remember where I put my fireplace. It's somewhere up this way. Apparently, I've got to make a so I've got one roasted meat. I've cooked some more stuff earlier. Unless I've got more cooking there. I hope I do. But then again,
Mate,
no, I
I've
left
lost
the
my
cooking-
fireplace. I ran off into the woods and I've lost my fireplace.
Can you imagine? It's a good job it's not. It's not. It's a good job it's not shared, isn't it? And then
dear.
someone comes into this world later on and finds like seven of these campfires all been built. Right, how many do I need to build this?
Oh,
Three.
we'll have to do this
I don't
again.
think I've got all three of these. Oh, I can make 3 of these. Right, so craft the healing cell. Yeah, craft. Yeah, we're gonna let's see what I'm gonna need that.
Roasted meat.
Right, that's on there. Right. Oh, I did have another piece. That's good. So craft that. I must have got 2 more out of that. Oh yeah, because I killed that little creature and then killed another one of those. Kill a kangaroo.
Obviously, it takes much longer to cook the meat than it did the berries.
Yeah, yeah. I'm assuming there's probably higher what the thing is. Right, 1 more to go.
Oh shit, I'm
I'm
being
guessing, though,
attacked!
by that, it sounds like 25 seconds.
He's attacking my fireplace! Bastard.
Is he? Does he know you're cooking his kind?
Cooking your mum.
Wow. We go items. Oh, I see. Yeah. Use essence dust, which I've just done with any worn tools or clothing in your inventory. Right. So I've already turned that jacket into essence dust. So I should have some left. So do I use? So if I click on any of my items, oh, it tells you I've got 65 and it needs 5 for repair cost wise. So there we go.
How do you do
That's
your
done.
heal? How do you make your healing balm?
Right. So you do it by the
Martin
campfire.
Smith, stop putting the bloody fire out!
Yeah, it's in the campfire. It's the top option, healing salves on top.
Right, what do I need? Fibre.
Well, there's plenty of fibre in this place.
Is that like the plant fibre?
Yeah.
If I keep putting the fire out, I am gonna blow my brains out. I'm gonna have to. I'm gonna have to cut that bit out.
Right, Temporal Brian's the week, and so to Nightingale. And choose the landscape that's best. Right. Oh, okay.
You jumping ahead again?
Okay. I'm having to wait for you on this bit when you do your next bit because I need to know what you're going to pick.
Right, where have we got
Although
to
I
go
don't
now?
think it makes a difference.
I've got item
once you've
repaired.
done
I've
your-
got to repair an item. I've got to do that.
Yeah. So, did you extract your old jacket into
I
essence?
did, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So right, what you're going to do is now if you highlight like for instance on my axe, I've gone to repair that item. So you press bring up your inventory, bring the mouse over to the item,
repair.
right click it, and then click repair, and it'll tell you right. And then you're going to speak the puck.
You've stolen
So I
life
listen to him
to
talk.
preserve your own. A necessity, lest it become a vice. One imbibed by men like dandelion wine. Now,
Right.
I've led you about around. through bog, through bush, through brake, through briar, and forthwith a temporal realm of abeyance awaits. And so too,
He's got a flair for the
Nightingale.
dramatic, this guy, isn't he?
First you must oblige your
Doesn't he,
inner
yeah.
essence, and choose the landscape that beckons. Aha,
Alright, we've got
no need
imagine a
for
forest,
words.
a desert, or a swamp.
Only
We're going to do
thought.
forest.
I'm going to go with forest on my ones. I'm
The
guessing.
mystery of the
I
whole.
mean, for best for both ones. I'm going to go with a forest.
Yeah, I've done forest.
Play your cards, but beware.
Mystery of the Holt.
The bound will storm once the archway rouses.
Oh, but the
Crack their
the
pitiable
archway
little
rouses.
skulls.
Crack the
Shown
pitiful little skull.
We've got to find the...
Right.
find the gate.
So yeah. Right. So on the map, I can see it on the map already for this area.
Found the lake,
What
innit?
did you set first? Yeah, I'm going to see what happens if you set this. If you set a mark, right, when you pick up the map, if you press right click on the item where you want to go,
Yeah.
and then click on one of these well beacons, it actually drops it straight onto the onto the thing,
yeah.
so you can see which direction. That's good. Right. Okay, so we're heading towards. Although a part of me wants to. Can you even get? I see that. Do you see that big old? I thought it looked like a kind of a mining.
Yeah.
Thing. I wonder that.
Oh, God, there's a kangaroo thing.
Oh, I see him. Right one. Hello, mate. Ow, that hurt. There's no need for that.
Are you wanting to go up that tower? I'm going to go through the gate so we can get to a point where we can join each other.
Yeah, actually, to be fair, I mean, yeah, it's like it'd probably be like another items on there like the other thing, but yeah, we'll get to the gate and we can actually, get away from me, you. Oh my God, he's coming towards me. He's coming. He's coming. Have this, mate. Have it. Have it. Come on. Get out of my face. Yeah. How do you like that? How do you like them apples?
Oh, another page
Right,
from the
take
book.
that, good. Right, let's eat one of these.
I'm going to leave this up on the screen for a bit, so if anyone wants to read it, they can.
Right, get this hill. Right. Oh, there's a bunny rabbit. I mean, the killer kangaroo. Yeah, have it. Right, well, at least we got. Oh my God, those little critters just led another one towards me.
Remain vigilant while the realms align.
So anything could attack while the realm is...
Whatever that is, like, yeah, I think this one's going to take probably, I don't know, the way you're talking about it, it's a cracked pitiful skull.
Oh shit! Things
So
just
I'm
came through the
assuming-
portal.
Right. React ready for this. So,
Oh my God, that shit looks like you.
Well, we have a good day. Oh, I saw an option. You can actually choose what difficulty you want. Of course, that whenever you like.
Oh, crack me in the head.
You said they come. You said they
Yeah,
come
watch
through
the gate. Yeah, they're stood on the portal, so be careful.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What? They look like orc vampire-y thing.
Oh, here comes more. Second wave, inbound.
Oh, okay. They look like they drop little down stuff, down bristles.
Go for headshots if you can.
Headshots, yeah.
Yeah.
Probably should have kept
They're the most intelligent of things, so...
They're probably going to be. These will probably be the like the
Foot soldiers.
regular. Yeah, foot soldiers. That's the words I couldn't think of.
I'm gonna go through this.
Realm Walker, your path forward is winding and full of terrors. Save yourself. Survive the realms. and rebuild all that has